Okay, today we're going to learn a couple of things, and the first is how to make your own foam tape. This is just cheap fun foam that you can find at any craft store, or actually I sell it here by the sheet or by the pack. And fun foam is great for a variety of purposes, one being making your own stamps. And so if I only wanted to cover one side of this with adhesive, I could stop there and then die cut out the shapes and turn them into my own stamps. But today we're going to make our own foam tape. And to do that, what we want to do is we want to apply this adhesive. This is a roll of adhesive. Again, I sell it here in the shop, or you can buy it by the roll on Amazon or through Uline. And what I'm doing is I'm flipping this over so I'm covering both sides of my foam with this adhesive. So in essence, I get my own foam tape. Now, foam tape is not cheap stuff, so this is kind of an inexpensive way, although the roll of this adhesive is expensive. This is an inexpensive way to make, if you just get a smaller roll of this or buy it by the foot, it's $1 a foot from here, to make your own foam tape. So here's a full sheet of foam tape, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it over top of this this die, and I'm going to cut out squares of this foam tape, because what I'm going to do with the squares of the foam tape, I'll show you in a second. So here I am just rolling it through the AccuCut machine, and this is what I get. Now, I can do this with any color of the foam, obviously, but here's the thing. You're going to see the side of this color show through. So think of this as a way to pop up shapes or letters, or in this case, squares. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tiled mirror with these starbux cards. I have tons and tons and tons of these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the cards on my die, pattern side down. I'm going to find some different ones. All right, that's it for now, at least because I'm just going to show you what happens here. Okay, again, pattern side down. Make sure that they're straight-ish. Put the plate over top. Crank it through. And voila, I have these tile squares. So these are kind of fun. But some of them you'll notice have a clear spot behind them. I can choose to use those, or I can choose to not use those. I think for this instance, I'm just going to demonstrate on this little tile right here. The composition of that came out great. And here's what I want to do. I want to peel my paper liner off of this. Now this is foam tape, it's sticky. And I'll line this tile up, and see how great that is. It's nice and green on the side, adds a little pop of color. And then when I'm ready to stick this down as a tile on my mirror, I just peel the back side off and stick it down. I don't have to mess with wet glues or anything like that. And before you know it, I have a complete tiled mirror. So I hope you learned something today, that you can make your own inexpensive sticky back fun foam tape in these large sheets for relatively inexpensive.